Now let's speak a little bit about import and export CSV files. So first of all, you can import a file. What I would strongly suggest is to download an example import sheet as a TSV file or a CSV, just to double check how our templates look like, so that you would import a correct template and that your orders would import correctly. Also, important instructions. Please read the guide before you do any imports the very first time. If you're unsure how multi-orders CSV import works, always contact our live chat support team. They will guide you. And importing large volume of data can take some time. If you don't see it immediately, give it a couple of minutes. If there was a lot of data importing, it can take a little bit of time as well for our system to digest all the information. And exporting, it has a couple of fields that you can select. First of all, export templates. We have special templates for shipping carriers as Australian Post or Royal Mail. Then the standard one that is usually used by most of our clients. Then we have legacy and no order items. Do double check these templates to see which one is the best for you. If you're unsure which template you need, always contact the live chat or give us a call and we will definitely help you. Now, also you can select export all orders that you have inside your order dashboard. Export the selected. If you would put check marks on the orders, then it would only export the selected ones. Or you can apply a filter and we will filter out your orders by the filter you apply, and then you can just export the filtered. Always remember that on the top right corner we have this little question mark which you can click, and you will be redirected directly to our Q&A section about integrations, orders, inventory, etc. Here you will find tutorial guides how to correctly integrate any of your sales channels as well. And as I said previously, if you have any questions, just write directly to our live chat or give us a call and we will help you with the process of the integration. I hope this video was useful, and as always, have a nice day.